decades, progress in technology meant adding more features, more sensors, more software, more automation. Complexity became a sign of advancement, but quietly that trend is reversing. Mechanical simplicity is making a comeback. Across industries, engineers are rediscovering an old truth. Fewer parts often mean better performance. Simple systems fail less, last longer, and behave more predictably under stress. Complex systems promise efficiency, but they introduce fragility. Each added component becomes another point of failure. When something breaks, diagnosing the problem takes longer, repairs become expensive, and downtime increases. Simple machines don't have that problem. With fewer moving parts, failures are easier to identify and easier to fix. Mechanical simplicity reduces dependency on software updates, sensors, and constant calibration. In environments where reliability matters more than optimization, simple systems outperform. This shift is visible in unexpected places. Manufacturers are re-engineering equipment to remove unnecessary electronics. Mechanical controls are replacing touchscreens. Manual overrides are returning. Designs are being stripped back to essentials. Why now? Because modern systems operate closer to their limits than ever before. Supply chains are tighter, maintenance windows are smaller, downtime is more costly. Under these conditions, complexity becomes a liability. Simplicity creates resilience. Simple machines tolerate abuse. They handle dirt, vibration, heat, and neglect better than intricate systems. They don't need constant connectivity or perfect conditions to function. There's also a human factor. Simple systems are easier to understand. Operators can diagnose problems without specialized tools or proprietary software. When users understand how something works, they trust it more and fix it faster. That trust matters. Highly complex systems often fail silently. A sensor misreads, a controller locks out, a warning appears with no clear cause. The machine becomes a black box. Simpler machines communicate failure directly. Broken part, worn gear, loose connection. The reason becomes obvious. This doesn't mean innovation is going backward. It means priorities are shifting. Engineers are optimizing for durability instead of novelty, longevity instead of feature count. Mechanical simplicity isn't anti-technology, it's selective technology. Use complexity where it delivers real value. Remove it where it creates risk. That balance defines the next generation of machines. Not smarter because they do more, but stronger because they do less. In a world addicted to complexity, the machines that last will be the ones bold enough to stay simple.